Celebration held last summer, there were high hopes for TESS, a truck enforcement screening station positioned just outside the entrance of the Port Authority of Guam in Pidi. Funded by the Federal Highway Administration and the Department of Defense, TESS is equipped with a weigh-in motion scale, a static scale facility, and a scale house intended to protect Guam's roadways from overweight trucks leaving the port. But it looks like TESS can't do her job until the logistics are worked out. Department of Public Works Director Carl Dominguez.
We need to put the legislation in place to set the fees, mainly that, to set the fees for the overweight trucks.
And with projects island-wide north to south ongoing to enhance Guam's roadways, Dominguez says the weighing machine is necessary to protect our investments, including reinforcement projects like that recently completed on Assen Bridge. The bridge, which sits near the Polaris Point intersection, is close to 60 years old.
We'll be able to determine whether the loads will be hazardous to the bridges. And if they are, we'll turn them around. We'll turn the trucks around.
Committee Chair on Transportation, Senator Tom Atta, tells KUAM addressing the logistics requires more stakeholder input. Atta says it was 2 months ago he met with DPW, but there's plenty of work ahead.
For example, the classification of your various trucks and whatnot. And of course, a lot of the representatives from the trucking industry were at that meeting also, and they raised a lot of these issues. Another issue that needs to be resolved still is the issue with what do you do with a truck that's overweight that's leaving the port? Do you just slap a heavy fine on them, or is there going to be an opportunity for them to turn around, and will there be an area where they can unload some of their cargo so that they can meet the weight limits?
Once the details are resolved, Atta says legislation will follow.
Once all those details have been resolved, then we can introduce legislation that would essentially establish the penalties that will be assessed on trucks that are overweight. How many times are you going to allow an overweight truck to go through before you finally just say, that's it, no more, park your truck?